All right, let's get this done. Polynomial review. Let's do this together. Do you know how to match and combine like terms? So 8 plus 1, that's how many x's we have. Negative 6 plus 3, combine them together. They're at war. Do we have more negatives or more positives? Who's going to win this? And we have 3 more negatives. Number 2, I want to match. Well, negative plus 1, they cross out completely. That's 0. 10 subtract 8. There again, they're at war. We have 2 more positives. That's who's going to win. N subtract 7. Positive 1 and negative 7 at war. Who's going to win? It's negative 6. More negatives. Here, 4 plus 8. That's 12. 10 plus 3. It's 13. As always, the best is for you to try it first, right? Then press play. Like, think of actually learning something rather than copying something. 1 plus 1. I got it. Negative 10 subtract 3. They're together. That's 13. Again, press pause. Try your best. And we have the answer. A little more challenging here. We're going to put them in order. So with the biggest exponent, negative 8n cubed and negative 4 together, that's negative 12n cubed. And then you can cross them out. Oh, I combined it with the wrong one. Let's try it again. So negative 8 plus 1. That's negative 7. Now we can cross them out. Negative 2 and negative 4 together, that's negative 6. And then 2 and negative 6. That's negative 4. Okay, to the 4, negative 7 and negative 6. Together, that's 13. 3, I just see the negative 4a cubed. Let me cross them out. 2 plus 1. Got that. And then negative 2. Let's try again. 7. Take away 5. 3. Take away 1. And then 3 plus 5. Subtract. Now be careful here. When you subtract a negative, you're really adding. So 3 subtract a negative. You're adding 3 plus 1. And then again, when you subtract a negative, you're adding. It's 8 plus 6. And you have the answer. Number 11. All right, 7 subtract 6. That's 1m squared. Feel free to put a 1 in front. I'm fine with that. 8 subtract 1. That's 7. Negative 4 subtract 6. That's negative 10. P to the 4th. That's 1 subtract 5. Good integer practice. 6 plus 4. And then 6 plus 1. All right, number 13. M to the 4th. I see it. Negative 6m squared. I see it. If it doesn't match with anything, we just copy it down. M and negative 4. Okay, that matches. That's negative 3. And then 8 subtract 6. All right, I got it. Again, be careful. Here's another way to subtract. We can do it in 2 steps. So we can subtract 8x, subtract 3, subtract 6, so that you know it goes to everything. Then we can match. So 2 subtract 6 is negative 4. And then you can cross them out. We have an x squared. We have a negative 8x. And then 3's take away 3 is 0. I don't need to put plus 0 down at the end. That's it. All right. Next, multiplying. So this distributes to both. So that's 32, and that's 56. Multiply. That's 21. M cubed. Multiply. That's negative 9 m squared. All right, turn the page. So here's the second page. All right, keep multiplying. There it is. Obviously, try first, and then see if you match what I'm doing. So 35r plus 10, 14k, negative 4. 5 times 3, add the exponents. 5 times negative 5. I know, the camera keeps going in and out. It does what it does. 2 times 5, 2 times 7. Keep trying. 4 times 7, 4 times negative 3. 4 times 2, 4 times 8. All right, now these are a binomial times a binomial. So we're going to draw a box for these. And then we're going to multiply. So this is 7b squared, negative 4 times b. 7 times 7 is 49, and then 7 times negative 4. And then inside this box, we're going to match. So nothing matches with 7b squared. 49 take away 4 is 45. And then negative 28. All right, we're going to multiply. So this is 24x squared, negative 30, negative 8, and then positive 10. Be careful, a negative times a negative. Then we have 24x squared, we have negative 38, and then 10. All right, let's try again. And let's multiply this. This is 48, n squared, 48, 48. And then, is that right? 48, 48, 48, 48. Is everything 48? Yeah. Wow. So 48 n squared. 48 and 48 is 96, and then 48. Wow. Big numbers. These are a little smaller. Let's draw this. Let's do it together. You do it first is best. At least we're working together, right? So we have 7p squared, 21p, 4p, and then 12. So we have 7p squared. That's adding them, that's 25, and then 12. All right, let's multiply this. 49, 7, negative 21, and negative 3. So the answer is 49. That's, what is that? Negative 14, and then negative 3. All right, draw a box. and then we multiply, and then after we multiply, we match up inside the box. So 24 take away 20. Everything else stays the same. So this is 7, negative 6, negative 21, and 18. Oops. That's negative 27, and then 18. All right, press pause, try it, and then press play. If you can't do it by yourself, then don't. Multiply with me. 8n squared, 4 times 5, 2 times 3, and 3 times 5. So that gives me 8, 6 plus 20, and then 15. All right, a few more left and we're done. Draw your box. So we have 6n squared, negative 6n, negative 24n, and 24. And then combine it together. All right, this is 15p squared minus 9p plus 10p minus 6. Done. All right, press pause, try your best. This is how we learn, right? The practice we put in, good quality practice so that you can do it when it matters. So 12 minus 4 minus 6 and then positive 2. That's 12x squared minus 10x plus 2. All right, 4b squared, 6b, negative 8b, and then negative 12. Let's multiply this out. Last one, are you ready? So that's 16, and that's a squared, minus 8a, and then 24a minus 12. So put it all together, match it up, 24 take away 8. And then minus 12 at the end. We did it. Mr. G Math, over and out. Good job getting your work done. Until next time.